this is another great salad for the summertime. I take some zucchini, I shred it on a mandolin. These are a great tool here.
Yeah.
Take a mandolin with the little teeth in it. You guys see the little teeth? Mm-hmm. And you basically
it basically makes what looks like spaghetti out of the squash.
Exactly. And I usually use all the outside. I don't get down to the seed part because that gets a little bit too moist. So see, look at that. It breaks right up. Very, very simple.
And then it couldn't be simpler. You're just doing...
I mean, look at this. A little salt and pepper.
A little salt, a little mint.
Little pepper.
Season with authority.
Let's rip some mint leaves in there.
Nice.
Let's squeeze some lemon juice.
I'm just standing.
I know. I mean, we're trying to speed cook. I wanted to get
sorry, but it looks so good. It's like poetry in motion. Okay.
Olive oil, lemon juice. Boom.
Here, use the peeler.
Get the peeler going. Come on, Sonny. Team effort. Team effort. Team effort. Go, go, go. Nice. I'm going to take the book with us, and we're going to go hit the book party set up over here because Brent is working on a beautiful table. Yeah, put it all right on there.
Oh, look
gorgeous.
at that. Come on.
I mean, anybody can make this, right?
Beautiful. Fresh, simple, and delicious.